Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rename sources in your notebooks in NotebookLM. So once you've got your sources, the titles for your sources in your Sources tab are pretty much determined by what they were when NotebookLM found them online. But you can rename these sources, and oftentimes it wouldn't be a bad idea to do it because there might be important information in the title of the source that you want to pay particular attention to because it best summarizes why you're interested in using that as a source. So it's often a good idea to actually rename these to something more appropriate for what your notebook is about, something that is a better reminder of what is in that source. You can do that if you go back to this little three dot menu. Here's how you can remove the source. We want to rename that source. So once I click on that, I can just rename the source. I'm going to do it on this one because it's pretty easy and not very important if I just remove the word Wikipedia from that source. And if I save that, it just changes it to this. And I can do that for any of these sources. I can just rename it to something that's more descriptive of what information is in that source or why that source is even being included. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.